What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to transfer videos, photos and other files from your iPhone to your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. There are different ways to transfer your videos, photos and other files from your iPhone to your Windows PC. The easiest way to transfer photos or videos is to simply connect your iPhone or iPad to your PC using your USB cable. After connecting your iPhone or iPad, you will be asked if you allow the device to access your photos and videos. Tap on Allow. A new folder will show up in your File Explorer on your PC. Open up the device drive and select Internal Storage. In some cases, the names of folders might be different. Navigate to a folder called DCIM, and you can then proceed to copy and paste each folder to your Windows PC. These will in most cases have the original photos and videos stored, as well as a lower resolution version. Depending on which iPhone you are using, the file size for these can get quite high. On your iPhone, make sure to access your settings. From here, scroll down and tap on Photos. Here, scroll all the way down and make sure to select the Keep Originals option when transferring images from your iPhone to a PC. This will ensure that the original image files will be preserved when transferring them, but it will increase the size required to store them. Your documents, PDF files, contacts, and other stored data will not show up in the folder on your PC. To transfer these files, you can make use of your iCloud storage. On your iOS device, open up your Settings application. From here, tap on your Apple ID name and then on iCloud. This will allow you to preview how much is being used in your iCloud storage, as well as which applications are currently being synced by your iCloud. Make sure to enable the apps where you wish to transfer data to your Windows PC. This could be your contacts, calendars, notes, emails, or Pages documents. To transfer photos in your library, tap on Photos. From here, make sure that iCloud Photos is enabled. It might require too much storage on your iPhone, preventing you from enabling this option. If this is the case, then make sure to free up some iCloud storage space and delete unwanted photos on your device. When this is done, log in to iCloud.com on your Windows PC. You will have to log in using your Apple ID, and you're required to authorize the login using your iOS device. Lastly, select any of these applications, such as Numbers, to not only copy your documents and files to your PC, but you can also edit and create new files from here, which will be backed up in your iCloud. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.